Hey, what's up, guys? Yes, you heard it right. Build a chatbot in less than 5 minutes. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. I have used your nltk. So, I'm importing nltk. What is happening? Start my kernel. Okay. So, importing nltk. Quick. Yes. After that, I've imported chat and reflections from the util package of nltk. So, I'll be creating an object of the chat class to which I'm passing pairs and reflections. So what are pairs and what are reflections? So pairs are a series of my responses and my chatbot responses. Okay, so as you can see here, I've my response as hey something, and on that my chatbot would return Chatter is saying how are you Akshay. So Chatter is the name of my chatbot which I've kept. Okay, so these are the series of mappings which I've maintained into my knowledge base. So whenever it will be getting a hit here, so these are the regular expressions, as you can see, hey something something. Whenever you will be having a hit here, you will be getting this kind of response. Okay, and what are reflections? Now I'll show you what are reflections. So I'm inside the nltk chat folder, and here into this util package you can see reflections. So reflections are the mapping of first person and second person. So these are first person, second person mapping. I am, you are, I was, you were, I am, you were, I was. So it was a like first person, second person mapping. Okay, and this goes as an input to the converse method. Here, this converse method, and accordingly it gives us the output. Okay, whenever it gets a match, it gives us the output. Okay, so I'm just writing a simple function chatbot, printing out chatter hey Akshay, and creating an object chatbot, and then calling the converse method. Okay, and let's see how my chatbot works now. There's some pairs is not defined. Work now. Okay, so my chatter is saying hey Akshay, as I have printed here hey Akshay. Now we will be responding something like hey something. So my chatter should say me how are you Akshay. We will say hey chatter. So my chatter gave me the response how are you Akshay. Okay, so this is how it works up. It works in a uh, regular expression and matching and giving the response in this way, and you can have a chatbot built. Let's try some few examples. I'll try a chatbot है पर नखरे. So chatbot है पर नखरे तो देखो. See, it's saying me bye Akshay, have a beep day. So it was a conversation which I created with my chatbot. It was like hey chatter. So he was responding how are you Akshay. Then I was saying I'm good, who do you think will win IPL. Was saying IPL is so unpredictable, can't say, but CSK and MI have good records. I was saying agree, which team is your favorite. Chatter was saying CSK, how about you. Let's do one thing, let's try it out. It would be much better. Why it is stuck. Okay, so let's give it, let's make it quick. A chatter was saying how are you Akshay, and we'll be replying I am good, who do you think will win IPL. IPL is so unpredictable, can't say, but CSK and MI have good records. I agree. Which team is your favorite? CSK, what about you? So I was saying yes. So one which wins. Hey. Funny, should I laugh? You are a chatbot. Can you laugh? You are a chatbot. How can you laugh? Okay, it gave me a none. Okay, you are a chatbot. Chatbot. Yes, that was Machin is racist. Go quit me. I want to talk with you. Come on. Putter putter. Putter putter. P sporty. Quit me Akshay. Finally. Chatbot पर नखरे तो देखो. Bye Akshay, have a nice day. Beep beep day. Yeah, so you must be saying this is a very simple chatbot, no machine learning involved and deep learning involved. Yes, I agree. But if you want to make a chatbot in 5 minutes, that is how you can make it. If you want to build a very good chatbot, you have frameworks like Rasa NLU. You can use different kind of services like Amazon Lex or IBM Watson. So these kind of chatbot building ways are much more complex, and it takes time, and definitely it gives you much more flexibility and accuracy. But if you want to make a chatbot in less than 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and I think even for a commercial application, you know that only few customers are going to come on a platform and they want some specific outputs, only some fixed outputs. So why to go for machine learning, deep learning? This is a simple NLP based chatbot, and this is suited for you. Okay, so that's it with this video, guys. If you like this video, spread this video with your entire friends, your colleagues, your friends and all, and spread me some love and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel AS Learning. Stay tuned for more such tech AI updates. Peace.